lemonade getting to me. Oh man, don't want to pause though. I can hold it. I can hold it. I can hold it. All of a sudden, I don't need to use the bathroom anymore.
Welcome. What are you selling? Is that all? Is that all? Thank you. What are you buying?
Oh, the red 9.
Is that all?
Well, this up to y'all right here. Y'all can buy it, but I'm not gonna buy it because I got my Punisher, so I can punish people.
Come back anytime.
I had no respawn on goodies up there. Wait. Don't want her ass to get burned, even though I don't like her, but gotta protect her if I want to keep going.
Follow me.
Yes, follow now. Oh man, I hate this part. It's gonna take a while. Got this bitch on me.
¡Agárrenlo!
That's for wasting my time. I'm on a time limit, you know. Yeah, wasting it. And ain't you got nothing to show for it? Ah. Humbug.
¡Ahí está!
Wow, his head went through the wood. Well, that's game logic for you. My kind of logic. Man, what were you doing? You should have been came through the windows and I bust through it. Matter of fact, just wait there, you dumb bitch. Hell, you be lollygagging and while I'm trying to run away and shit. You get caught and hurt. Whoa. Am I tripping? Did she just yell for help when there's nothing wrong with her? Dumb broad. Okay, my icon is bugging out on me. She might be getting taken away, but it's not saying anything. Ow. I was looking over there to see if she keep getting taken away because it's the only exit over here. Okay. What the? Oh my fucking god, man, for real. Yelling for help when you want in no immediate danger. Dumb broad. Hell, her and Roche be fucking best friends because they so fucking stupid and useless. You know what? They right. Blondes are stupid. Alright, just stay here and shut the fuck up, man. All that fucking screaming and shit. Saying you need help. When nobody fucking near you.
Follow me.
Yeah, I thought there'd be something in there. I guess not. Oh, why she running now? Oh, come on, man. So there you go, being a dumbass. And when I move back, you move back. Dumb broad. You know what? I'm gonna know where I'm gonna put you at. So you won't yell for help and you won't do shit. You won't get in my fucking way. Get in that fucking box. And stay the fuck there. Alright, I'm about to run out of time, so I'm gonna kill as many as I can. Clear this path. Next video, I'll go forward for the cabin battle. Whoa. Watch you hitting now. Yeah, I'm gonna try to grab as much as I can. Stay down. Oh. Alright, die. I ain't got time to play with y'all. What the? Oh, you gonna pay for that. Oh. Oh man, I thought I killed both of them. Well, one of them still good. Stay down. Alright, but hurry up. Go this way. Alright. Some health. Needed that. Ain't got no more eggs on me, so shit. What the heck was that? Must have been somebody upstairs. Alright, time about to run out for me. But hurry up and go save. Well, I think I got enough time to kill these fools right here. Alright, that's the last guy. Well, ain't the last guy, but it's the last guy. My time limit. Alright, bitch, you stand there. Alright. Next video, cabin battle.